Glaciers by J.A.
and Alvaro. What are glaciers anyway?
Glaciers are mountains of ice formed through hundreds of years with falling snow over snow. And where there is too much snow, it puts pressure on the bottom layer, and it becomes ice. Some glaciers are static in mountains. These are called valley glaciers. And some are in the ocean moving. The Antarctica is a glacier too.
Then, why are glaciers important?
Glaciers are important because glaciers store the biggest part of fresh water in Earth, and we drink that water. Do you know San Mateo and San Luis?
Yes, what happens with them?
Well, they are water collected from glaciers, and also 99% of glaciers are in South America, and 71 of those are in Peru. Since Peru is a desert, we depend on those glaciers for being able to drink.
I've been researching information about glaciers. Ask me something.
Okay, why are scientists researching glaciers?
Scientists are researching glaciers because since glaciers are really important for us, we have to make sure they are working correctly. And it's important to keep track of them because they always grow and melt, so we have to make sure they're big enough for when we need them. If glaciers melted, we would have floods and not have enough water to drink. Come on, ask me more difficult questions.
Okay, what is the problem with glaciers?
The problem with glaciers is that they are melting. They are melting because of global warming. That global warming is the one that happened years ago because glaciers take time to adjust to climate changes. One last question, please.
All right, but the last one. What are scientists doing?
Scientists are, as you already know, not capable of solving global warming. But what they do is raise awareness on how to prevent it and research on causes and consequences of how it affects us. So people see how important it is and take action.
So tell me other facts, please.
Some facts that scientists have found out is that glaciers are now losing mass twice as fast as they were in the period from 1901 to 1950, 3 times as fast as in the period from 1851 to 1900, and 4 times as fast as in the period from 1800 to 1850. I have something else to tell you. Melting glaciers will initially increase flood risk and then strongly reduce water supplies, eventually threatening 1/6 of the world's population. That is really sad. Glaciers in Peru have lost 1/3 of their surface area since 1970. That's a big ice loss in comparison with the other years before. Melting glaciers in Peru will severely reduce water supplies in a country that is already water poor, so we will not have water supply enough for everyone.
Alvaro, I have made a connection to all the information you said. Even if we stop now, glaciers will continue to melt for some decades. Glacier melt has raised the sea levels by 5 inches between years 1851 and 2010. So, global warming is affecting a lot these glaciers. So we need to follow these instructions. Keep trash clean and don't pollute. That will save some glaciers and save some water for us.